MJD moment. Okay, moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Oh, the power supply was not on. Is it gonna be better this time? Nope. What? Why? What are we guessing? Is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? This is real education. I'll let it load for a few... I'll let it load for...
À travers le Québec et la francophonie, EduLinux facilite l'accès aux technologies.
Hey, I was reading! Yeah, that is very user-friendly. 5 minutes later, still no progress. Nothing.
EduLinux, la nouvelle génération de systèmes d'exploitation. Des solutions Linux personnalisées.
It reminds me a bit of the Windows Longhorn betas. We have officially been educated. Open Office here, and as you can see, is that a 1? Or an I? That is the most cursed I I've ever seen. A browser that was Nerber. Oh no! Okgro, Iponto, Ogcore, Larnpei, Oculnose, Rebolab KCD, Aragoose, Unsels, Technobu, Sponoi. Alright, that's enough. Is that even golf? Star. Sofa. Mexico. Now let's have some more. Now let's have some fun and change the appearance of the computer. 2 guys on bikes. We have 2 swimmers and a forest. Lighthouse. Rocket. Yay! Alright, so that was a look at EduLinux 2004. A very interesting Linux operating system